Just in there's a new dunnock nest gone in here in the gorse. Seen a little bit of moss from underneath, and there's its nest. It's nestled in lovely actually. It's good, that one. Good. We'll get out. Just two in at the moment. Good stuff. Just in here, I'll have a quick look at the dunnock chicks. This was the one where two had hatched out. I think there was two underneath, but them two little beauties. Oh, quickly have they come on? Yeah, you can still see some blue under there. Yeah, just two chicks. It's raising here in this brood. Check it out. Very hungry. Coming on great. Excellent, we'll get out. Just push through here to see this blackbird now. And, you know, the plastic there and the tissue paper there. Mud inside the last time it's in this alder. We'll push up to the top, let's have a look. Oh, great. I think there's a clutch of 4. Oh, that's good. Excellent. Yeah. Get out. Yeah, it's a little beauty then. Another check in at the song thrush this time, and it's great. It's nestled in the gorse. This was what I found built, ready to go. I lost the one, and then this one built it in here in the gorse. It's a little beauty. The birds just hopped off, so we'll get out. Clutch of 4 in there, which is great. Oh, beauty. Get out. Just a quick look in on this little long tail, and it's good news because it's feeding chicks in there. I think you can just about see. Oh, it's gone back. Let's pop its head back down. Was a little beak there. We'll get out. Brilliant. Excellent news. Bad news with this little chiffchaff. It was built, ready to go, and someone's had that. Something has had that. It's in amongst the brambles and the nettles. It's a shame that. Yeah, someone's getting in there. Never mind, we'll get out. Just very quickly in here. This one was the chiffchaff. Yeah, that was the chiffchaff that I filmed sitting on the nest. And it would have been sitting on young. Them young are reasonable size. A few beaks you can see there. Nice one. The little wren's got his nest nestled in there. It's not feathered. Just at the ends of that gorse there. He's a little beauty. Easy to see. It's easy to spot then. Get out. Looking in there now, there's that lovely linnet. Well, when I found this, I was debating whether it was a new nest, but obviously, as you can see there, she's got a clutch of 5 in there. Beauty. And the feather around the back. Look at it. Look at them beauties. No bird. so it did. It was brand new. It was just quite early when I found that. Right, we'll get out. Well, there in this little bit of standalone, the new linnet has just hopped off there. It's a new linnet nest again. Chiffchaff. That's a beauty as well. Lovely. Lovely that. Now that has to be what? 10 meters? 10 meters away from the other. Not very far. She's around the corner. And there she is. Lovely. We'll get out. Sunday the 12th. It's a lovely day. Got out and about. Now in about an hour and a half. Just watching a pair of longtails. Yeah, actually, I've just come away from the linnets, the two pairs of linnets, and it's an area I had looked at, but they made 2 flybys into there. I think there will be a nest in there with youngsters, I would imagine. I'll have a little look when I'm finished here, see if I can locate it. I was in there, missed that. Beautiful watching it come in. Fantastic. Pair of them. For the tiny section, really, of gorse here, phenomenal. There's a little longtail, like little helicopters. It's just over the back there. I'll find that. Well, I've watched the linnet's come back. There's another one. You'll hear it. Yeah, that's the linnet there. She went back into the standalone gorse. Is that a male? Looks like a male up there. Not too far away. Yeah, that's the linnet song. There it is. Got that long tail. Yeah, the birds have come back. It's got youngsters, yeah. Just as what I thought. A couple of flybys in, and they were hovering around, in and outs. And it's got youngsters in there. And they're back in the area, so we'll get out. It's like this. It's gorse. It's like a broom combo. It's all mixed in. It's quite high. Lovely. Lovely. Right, I'll have a look around the back, see where that song thrush went. Right, we'll get out. Just been sitting on this little stile here. And I was just watching a little section of bramble across the way there. There's a little chiffchaff going in. And then all of a sudden, I'm thinking, hell, these had snuck up on us. He's eating the fence. Bloody hell, I nearly absolutely died. Hey, I think it must have been about a month ago. There was this article in the Mail, Daily Mail. It was quite the spread actually, and I'm sure the caption on it was "Killer Cows." And it was I think it was some rambling association or some association obviously warning of cows, the speeds of cows, and certainly when they've got calves about. I have to say, all the farmers in and around, the signs are up to take care when cows have got the calves, dogs on leads, etc, etc. So the signage is good here. But anyways, this article was wanting walking areas to be fenced off, that sort of thing. And there was this lady called Libby, and she had been trampled on 2 or 3 times. I sort of gathered round her and trampled her. She spent quite a bit of time in hospital. And she was with her partner, Ger. Anyways, it was spelled G-E-R. So where he was in amongst it, he didn't get mentioned after that. He obviously just did an Iron Maiden, and he ran to, he must have ran to the hills here. They're all coming across now. They're very young, actually. These are just investigating, I suppose. But by God, I nearly absolutely died. I look back there, I'd say about a month ago. Middle of April or sometime. 4 or 5 weeks ago, that article. Killer cows. Trampling people, putting people in hospital, killing people. It was this old guy killed further down the country. No, I'm frightened of my life. Aye, and anyways, the article went on to say about the cow's speed being about, I think it was 25 mile an hour, something like that, in and around 25 mile an hour. I didn't pay much attention to it. But since then, I've looked up different speeds, and us bipeds are pretty goddamn slow. To put some sort of perspective on the 25 mile an hour malarkey, Usain Bolt on his world record 100 metre sprint, clocking him between 60 and 80 metres, the 60 and 80 metre mark, 27 point something, in between 27 and 28 miles per hour. So these bad boys can freaking shift 25 mile an hour. Dear me. There you are. Right, I'm still panting heavily. Get out. Right. There was our Chiffchaff. There you are. There's some signage there. Cows with calves in the field. Cows with calves can be aggressive. Caution. And of course, 5G kills. Is that a 5? 5G kills. There you are. Cat house. This is a shame. Chiffchaff has been nestled down in there, in this, well, it's the base of a holly. There's a little bit of bramble in and around the bottom, but there you can see, I think it's been nestled in there. You can see this top section. What a shame. It's been pulled right up from there. Shame. Chiffchaffs are singing very loudly in this area. Oh, it's such a shame. That would have been an absolute little baby, that, at the bottom of this holly. This is the dunnock on the fence line. This one, this female was incubating 3 eggs. We'll see 2 chicks there. I'll have a look back. Oh, they're coming on canny. That's good. It's a hard one to get into, this tough one. I was filming the dunnock early on earlier on today, and as I was looking at, I looked back on the footage when I was just trying to do a little bit of editing there just before, and something's trying to come through. I think it's a grasshopper trying to come through the two chicks. Two chicks are bigger than these. But right, we'll get out of here and let these female get back in. Feeding them. Just back at the migrated box, and last time I was here, last week, I think it was Tuesday last week, it did have two, and I stuck the camera in, thought I had hit record and I hadn't. Came away and I knew I hadn't recorded it, so we'll have a little check now. Should have a good clutch in there. Hope that gets it. Right, we'll get out. Just in there, you can see another common white throat. That's ready to go. Last Tuesday, Sunday today, I seen a white throat in this area, and it scratched around a little bit in this bramble. So I waited. It came back. I was scratching around. I had to stand off quite a distance, but I couldn't see anything then. But there you can see how that's all built up there now. Yeah, great stuff. Come on, my throat. Here's another one. Yeah, well, shut that back in. Let's have a look in at blackbird on the path, and they're out. You see that? Unhatched. Last egg. 3 chicks it had. We'll stay at that nest now. Excellent. They're out. Good stuff. Get out. Blackbird on the path.